friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are talking about the best paper deals at Walgreens until the 27th of December, which is this upcoming Saturday. Some of these deals are going to be done curbside and some of these deals are going to be done in store. Whole lot of beautiful paper. Now, if you are the kind of shopper that is looking for some last minute gifts or some gifts for you, and you really love the P&G, this video has a lot of magic and razzle dazzle to it. Those Olay Regenerous for $3.89, like, shut up. I'll link this at the very end. You're not going to want to miss out some really super deals. Okay, back to the paper. The first deal we're doing is going to be done curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, and then going to the store. You're ordering it, paying for it, going to the store and picking it up. If you're ordering a huge amount of paper, go sooner than later, just to be courteous to the employees. The first deal we're looking at is done curbside. So we're going to load this friend, which is the $1.50 off of one. If you look, the expiry is the 27th, which is this Saturday. So you have to use this or lose this coupon. If you've already used it, go back in your household folder and you'll be able to reload it. So for your basket with this coupon, you can either get the toilet paper or paper towel, or you can get a mix of it. What is this very similar to? The toilet paper is very similar to Angel Soft, and the paper towel is very similar to Sparkle. So it is of a good quality, in my humble opinion. So for this cart, we're going to throw in 8. I just put in toilet paper, but if you wanted to grab 4 of each, go for it. Some regions you might not be able to put that much in as well. And you can see our $1.50 coupon. That's $12 off for us with this transaction. Now the sum is also $40. So there's different coupon codes that you can use right now, or discount codes. And the discount code GIFT15 is taking an additional $4.24 off along with the 12. Because we had $40 of paper in our basket. So the overall total here, guys, is $40. We have $16.24 melting off. So after the free curbside pickup and tax, $25.19. Use $20 in Walgreens cash if you may have it, and pay $5.19 for the 10, and that's a really good deal. For those that want to use the spend 40 to earn back 10, I'm just going to let you know, if you take 40, subtracting it by $16.24, you're at $23.76. You're short from hitting that $40 mark. You will not get it. So don't bank on that. You would have to add in another probably like $17 of merchandise, not factoring in store coupons or discount codes such as GIFT15. Next 2 deals that we're looking at are going to be done completely in store because they're involving the Register Rewards, which are those paper coupons that you get out of the Catalina machine. These must be done in store. So for this one, we're grabbing an assortment of P&G paper products at $5.49, and you're going to have to grab 1 of each. Each of these items have dollar digital coupons, so you would just go under the product to load the coupon, or go in the household folders to load all these coupons. So grabbing an assortment of 4 of these products, it is $21.96, subtracting $4 digital coupons. It's $4 melting off right there. $17.96 you will pay. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4, or $3.24 per fancy paper product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I will let you guys know as well, if you wanted to use register rewards, say from Pantene or Crest or anything else you might have, to get a lesser out of pocket, because $17.96 is kind of gross, do it. So you're paying a lot less out of pocket. The next deal that we're looking at is the last one, deal number 3 in store. It's to grab 2 of these Bounty triples. So it's like a paper towel that is 3 times the amount, and Bounty doesn't skimp. These guys are $6.99 this week with a $3 reward when you purchase 2 with $1 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $13.96. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $12.98. Pardon me. Then you're getting back a $3 register reward, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I would, again, recommend if you have any register rewards from other deals, throw them in so you're paying a lesser out of pocket. I know a lot of you prefer this fancier paper towel, and I certainly would have nothing but this if I had the resources for it, but get yourself some fancy Bounty. Why not? And in case you missed yesterday's video, I'll link it right here. Lots of great deals for detergent and the Olay Regenerist that many of us love. Check it out. Linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.